In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Goodday. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can follow along on your screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for whenever you want to set up a fresh workspace for your team or your projects. First, make sure you're logged into your Goodday account and that you're on the main My Tasks or home view. On the left side of your screen, look for the More icon. This is usually represented by a small grid of 9 dots. It can be easy to overlook if you're not used to the interface, so take a moment to hover your mouse over the icons on the left sidebar until you see the one that looks like 9 little squares grouped together. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that More icon. After you click it, a panel or menu will open, giving you additional options that aren't directly visible in the main view. In this menu, look for the option labeled New Space. Depending on your screen size or layout, it may appear in a list or in a grid, but it should clearly say New Space. Click on New Space to start the process of creating your new workspace. Once you've done that, Goodday will prompt you to select the type of space or configuration you want. This might include templates or categories designed for different use cases like project management, product development, or general task tracking. Take a moment to think about how you plan to use this workspace. Then, select the option that best matches your needs. Choosing the right type now can save you time later by giving you a structure that's already close to what you want. After you've made your selection, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Goodday will guide you through the remaining setup steps. This usually includes giving your new space a clear name, possibly adding a description, and in some cases choosing default views or settings. Read each prompt carefully, fill in the required fields, and continue clicking Next or save as needed. Once you complete the prompts, your new workspace will be created and added to your list of spaces. From there, you can start adding tasks, inviting team members, and adjusting settings to fit the way you work.